Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a intro for a YouTube video in Canva. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you might want to do as an intro, you might want to record yourself, and to do that, you want to go into your left toolbar, go into Uploads, and click Record Me. Allow permissions for all devices needed to record you, and then once you've given permissions to everything, you'll see an image here. Of course, I haven't given permissions since I don't want to record. You'll see an image of your camera frame here, and then your microphone should be on as well. You just click here to record, and that should be it. And yeah, that's one way or one element you want to record. Or you can go into designs, and from designs, you can choose a certain design which you want to have for your intro. For example, let's say this one, you can add that one, which, well, this one specifically lasts for 2.5 seconds. You can, well, shorten the duration to 1 second, let's say, because this is a countdown, and then you can add whichever ones you want. You just add new pages. For example, let's say 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And if I play this, as you can see, it is a countdown. It has its own audio even as well. It's a bit slower since I didn't, of course, edit all of these frames themselves or all of these segments. But yeah, as you can see, this can serve as a pretty good YouTube intro itself. Other than that, you can also add your own elements. If I delete everything here, what I could do is add text, such as a title, type in, for example, welcome, and add an animation such as a fade in, which you can edit at the start bar there. But if I play it, for example, from here, from 2, it's counting down to 2, and as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you can very easily add any elements you want. I do have other tutorials on how you can add elements and edit them, but that is in essence how you can create a thumbnail or a intro. The rest is completely up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.